up, you guys? It's your girl Anna, and thanks so much for clicking on this video and stopping by my channel to show your support. As you see in the title, I'm going to be doing another COLORCL contact lens try-on haul video on these naturally brown eyes right here, so you guys who are interested in purchasing from them can kind of know what it'll look like on you. So COLORCL sent me an email and they said, hey girl, what's up? No, they didn't, but they basically are saying that they have a new edition for the Siesta Crystal collection. They have added 6 new edition halo, and that's what they're calling it. So halo lenses of 6 new colors. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is trying them on real quick. I'm going to be doing it up close, and some of you guys commented that you wanted to see like a far away look as well, so I'll be doing that both ways, up close and far away at the conversational length, so you guys can know if you want to check it out. Of course, if you love any of these contact lenses, they will be on sale effective June 21. Yeah, June 21, 2019, and between the days June 21 to June 28, you guys can get these lenses for $12, 12 American United States dollars. And of course, I have a coupon code ANNETTE10 that will get you 10% off your order, baby, so it will be even cheaper. After that, after the 28th of June, these lenses I believe will be $15 per pair, which is still superbly cheap, and you can get them in non-prescription and prescription. Okay, so thanks so much, enjoy the video, and if you do, hit the like button, ask me any questions in the comment section, and share this video. Until next time, love you guys, bye.
You've been waiting for it, I'm waiting too. In my imagination, I'll be all up on you. I know you got that fever for me, 102. And boy, I know I feel the same, my temperature's through the room. If it's a camera up in here, then it's only with me when I do. If it's a camera up in here, then I best not got this look on you. You to caress me like a tropical rain, and flow away with you in a Caribbean sea. I'll be all up on you. I know you got that fever for me, 102. And boy, I know I feel the same, my temperature's through the roof.